Wake up and start your day. Wake up, stretch and say good day. Brush your teeth, wash sleep away. Comb your hair, your smile is bright. Time to start the day just right. Every day the right way. Healthy, happy, learn and play. Every day the right way. Let's be our best today. Eat your fruits and veggies too. Apples red and broccoli green and new. Drink your water, skip the fizz. Healthy is what smart kid is. Avoid no too much sugar, no soda pop. Healthy tummies jump and hop. Clean and kind. Wash your hands before you eat. Keep your toys and room so neat. Say please and thank you every day. Kind words go a long, long way. Every